Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you redeem Amazon gift card code. So in order to redeem an Amazon gift card, you need to visit the Amazon website or an app and navigate to the gift card redemption page. So open up your Amazon application and log in, after which you want to click on the U button from the bottom of the page. So as you go to this section, click on the gear icon from the top of the page, or else you could just go ahead and click on your account. Underneath you have these add gift card to your balance. You could go and see other options as well, or you could just go ahead and click on add gift card to your balance. So when you click this out here, you want to go ahead and enter in the redemption code, and after which click on add gift card. So basically you could use this as in the purchase please, or when you're purchasing an item, so it's going to get you a discount or a certain amount of discount as well, and that is how you'll be able to redeem gift cards. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.